if you go to the university website again, then you can access the library. So if you look at the education, library tab is there. So then in the case of library, all the resources that are available, you can go to the digital library. So you can see we don't have many ebooks. We have about 14 ebooks, but we have a lot of research publications, 4,816, and all the dissertations or theses submitted can be accessed here. So this is the resources. So a lot of some of the projects, postgraduate students projects, and all those things can be accessed from this one. And then you can get the library catalog as well. So while staying, you don't need to visit today to access. You can give your user login password and then reach the catalog. And then you can search for books and other things that are available in the library with this. In the case of library, remember, library staff is always helpful and they are ready to help you in any question that you have. And so if you tell them, look, I have some difficulty of getting something, etc., that they will facilitate. And then they have the library home. They have what is called interlibrary loan, what is called interlibrary arrangement as well. So they can get a book from some other place if you want. Okay. So they have an agreement. So even some rare books, even overseas, if you make a request, it might take a little bit of time, but you should be able to get it. Or if it is in the Sri Lanka itself, they will get it under this interlibrary loan facility, etc. So those facilities are available as e-resources in the library, and that also will be quite useful e-resource.